Oh my God!
Hey, what happened?
Can you help me?
Meanwhile,
Let's go!
Come on!
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform. I'll lift everyone to safety.
Transform! It's action time!
I'm coming!
Get ready for action.
Hello?
5 minutes later.
Hey! Water blast, go! Awesome! Come on! Oh yeah!
You guys build bad bridges like that?
What did you just say?
Thank you!
There is nothing to thank.
You were just saved by them. If not, you are the one that just fell.
Sorry.
Please read the signs carefully before proceeding.
I apologize.
Team, get ready for action.
Okay already.
Okay, I'm back!
Bye, have a great time. I have learned from experience.
Don't endanger yourself and affect others.
I'm sorry.
Goodbye!
Be careful, your weight.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hello!
Yeah.
Huh?
Hey!
I think there's a better game than that.
What is that?
Jump across that broken bridge over there.
No, it's very dangerous.
You're such a coward.
Just ignore him. Let's go.
Let's go!
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo!
Bing bang.
Come on!
Okay, here we go. Wow, that's really great.
I can do it.
Look at me! It hurts so much. Help me.
Oh my God!
What should we do?
I don't know.
Meanwhile,
Go, go, go!
Let's roll out. Transform! Transform! Let's go! Help us save our friend, please.
Okay already.
Be careful. Option B.
much later.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Come on, you can do it. Woo, doggy. Let's rope 'em and ride.
Help!
Go, 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 go!
Here! Oh no! Can you help my friend get here?
Okay already.
You can go through now.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have come up with this dangerous prank.
Anyway, everyone is safe now.
Right, as long as you know your mistake, you can correct it.
Thank you, guys.
Now it's party time.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on. Oh, and also, what was that?
5 minutes later.
I know I can do it.
Okay, here we go. Come on, y'all, let's do this.
Does anyone have any way to save him? Why can't I move?
Come on.
Oh no!
A few minutes later.
Something's wrong. Move quickly.
Go, go, go!
Hey!
Oh my God!
It's time. Transform.
Transform.
Everyone calm down. We need to deal with this. He tried to add force to pull the truck up.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Calm down. We will help you.
The next day.
For you. Hurry up, we need your help.
Okay, here goes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ah!
1, 2, 3, go! The thing to do now is to repair this bridge.
What should we do now?
Here we go!
This is the material I'm selling, but use it to fix the bridge first.
Okay, here we go.
Water blast, go!
5 minutes later.
Pay attention to the load when crossing the bridge.
Yes, I will learn from this.
The result is not individual, but the success of cooperation. What a peaceful day.
Oh my gosh.
The bridge is on fire. This is dangerous. The wood's burning. Help!
Meanwhile.
What?
10 years later.
It's action time.
Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Let's go!
Please! Help! Help!
Hey! Water blast, go!
Thank you.
I'll take care of you. Let's go!
Hey!
So messy, let me clean it up.
Come on, come on.
Wooden bridges are dangerous. We need a strong steel bridge.
Call for reinforcements.
Okay, let's go.
20 minutes later.
Go, go, go!
Cement is coming.
1 hour later.
Let me smooth the way.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Fancy! Bye! Look, a speed bump sign. Vehicles should slow down here. Oops, the speed bump is too high. He can't make it through. Help! Oh no, he went too fast. The truck has fallen into a hole. OMG, help me, help! Heavy rain is making things worse. The truck is sinking deeper. A new day begins, but the police car doesn't see the hole.
Huh? Oops, almost fell there.
Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
OMG. Let me go call for help.
McQueen spots a truck in a pit and hurriedly turns around to call for rescue.
I need your help! A car fell into a pit.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
The police car receives the news and immediately calls the rescue team.
I need everyone's assistance.
OMG, we're here.
Okay, let's go.
We need to pull the truck up.
Look, the crane is working hard to pull the truck out. He's almost safe. Thanks.
We need to rebuild the road.
Okay, we'll do it right away.
Now the most important thing is to fix the road. After the dump truck has unloaded the sand, the road roller must carefully roll over it to compact the sand.
Yeah!
Pay attention when you see a speed reduction sign and speed bumps. Slow down.
Okay.
Look at the big diggers working hard on the construction site. They're showing how teamwork builds big things. Whoa! Here comes the monster truck speeding into the zone. Uh-oh! He's making a mess around the roller and the dump truck. It's important to respect others and share space.
Causing chaos here.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Oh, crash! Monster truck bumps it and spills all the fruit.
Help me! That troublemaker is destroying my fruits!
Okay, I get it now.
Look, monster truck is heading toward an old tunnel. I better hide for now. There's a warning sign, but he ignores it, which is never a good idea.
OMG, help me, help me!
Oh no! The tunnel collapses and traps him inside.
All right, I'm calling for backup right away. I need your help, guys. A car is stuck in the tunnel.
Okay.
OMG.
Crane arrives and lifts its arm to break through the rubble. Thank you very much.
We need to rebuild
Carefully,
the
the crane pulls him out. He's safe. Thanks to teamwork, we can solve big problems and help each other in hard times. But the road is still broken. It's time to rebuild. Dump truck brings fresh sand and pours it down. Here comes the roller, flattening everything smoothly.
Let me finish the road.
The cement mixer spins and pours a strong new surface. And with a final touch, ta-da! The road is good as new.
Remember, no causing trouble for others and never ignore danger signs.
I'm sorry. Hello. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episodes. The truck is overloaded. Just a little tilt, and it might tip over any second. Oh no. The truck just hit a big rock. It's losing balance. It's about to tip over. Look over there. 2 McQueen cars are speeding up, racing to the finish line. Run quickly. The red McQueen didn't see the mud puddle. Now it's completely covered in mud. Only its blinking eyes are visible. Ah! OMG, help me, help me. Oh no! The red McQueen is out of control, heading straight for the intersection. A big truck carrying flower pots is coming.
Help me.
Let me go call for help.
over there.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
The police car was sleeping soundly, but when it heard the cry for help, it jumped up and called the rescue team.
I need your help.
Okay, we're coming right away.
Oh my god!
The crane has arrived. It's quickly lifting the overturned vehicles back up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Help me. Yahoo! Thank you.
We need to rebuild the road.
Okay.
Now for an important task. We need to repair the road so that vehicles can travel safely. The truck carrying sand has arrived at the construction site. It's about to pour sand to fix the road. The road roller happily moves back and forth, smoothing out the new road. Look how hard it's working. Let's put up some fences. This helps protect the road and keeps everyone safe. Wow, they're even carefully adding beautiful flower pots. This road looks absolutely amazing. To ensure safety, the police car installs a traffic light. Always follow traffic rules when driving.
Do not overload when transporting goods on the road, and absolutely do not play around when participating in traffic.